Last year, students of Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow went on a field trip to understand the actual functioning of a hotel.
Industrial visits can be incredibly beneficial for students in many ways. Some of the key benefits include: Point 1, practical exposure. Industrial visits provide students with the opportunity to see firsthand how the concepts they learn in the classroom are put into practice in the real world. This can help students gain a better understanding of the subject matter and how it relates to the industry. Point 2, career awareness. By visiting industrial sites, students can gain insight into the various career paths available in different industries. This can help them make more informed decisions about their future career goals and aspirations. Point 3, networking opportunities. Industrial visits can also provide students with the opportunity to network with industry professionals, which can be valuable in terms of gaining job opportunities or insights into industry trends and practices. Point 4, enhanced learning. Visiting an industrial site can be an exciting and engaging experience for students, which can lead to enhanced learning outcomes. Students are often more motivated to learn when they can see the practical applications of what they are studying. Point 5, soft skills development. Industrial visits can also help students develop a range of soft skills, such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving. By interacting with industry professionals and observing how they work, students can gain valuable insights into these skills and how to apply them in their own lives. Therefore, industrial visits can be an incredibly valuable experience for students, providing them with practical exposure, career awareness, networking opportunities, enhanced learning, and soft skills development. If you want to study in an institution that offers you a unique blend of studies with real-world application of what has been taught in the class and how it is actually utilized in real world, please come and join the hotel management courses at Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow.
At Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow, a lot of importance is given on ensuring that the students understand the practical use of learning. To study with Inspire Living Management Academy Lucknow, apply now through the institute website